So for today's video, it'll be a one quick errand papuntang SM City Santo Tomas. Today, gusto kong mag-share sa inyo ng isang magandang tip that really changed my life in terms of career and taking this new philosophy serious, yung minimalism. I've been doing this for a while pero I'm trying to make it formal and expressing my intention to do it with every video. So let's hit the road and let me share with you how by doing less you can achieve more. Tara! Medyo makulimlim ngayon dito sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. Here's the one piece of advice. So, sa mundo natin na ang dami natin kailangan gawin, most of the time kailangan mong multitask. Try focusing one thing at a time. What do I mean? Pagkagising mo, try and figure out ano yung pinakamalagang task na dapat ma-accomplish mo for that day. I know, sobrang challenging niya kasi ang thinking natin, kailangan marami kang ma-accomplish all at the same time. Pero nangyayari, hati-hati yung focus mo doon. And most of the time, yung result, hati-hati din. What end up happening is, akala natin marami tayong nagawa, pero incomplete naman lahat. In the grand scheme of things, mas kukunti pa lalo yung na-accomplish natin. So as a self-proclaimed minimalist, natutunan ko na if you focus on one thing at a time, yung talagang give your full attention to that big task for the day, mas mabilis mo siyang matatapos and ultimately, mas satisfied ka doon sa magiging result niya. Kapag multitasking ka, akala mo dami mo nagagawa, and especially kapag work from home ka katulad ko, lalong so-so yung nagagawa mo and it will show. Nakikita yun ng boss mo, nakikita yun ng mga coworkers mo, nakikita yun ng mga clients mo. Yung iba sa inyo sasabihin, Lester, imposible talaga sa akin yan kasi naturally multitasker ako eh. Okay, ganun din ako dati. I was able to change that. Isipin nyo to, kapag yung gutom na gutom ka na, yung sumasakit na yung ulo mo sa gutom, kahit pa ang dami mong kailangan gawin, kahit pa may trabaho ka, kahit pa may deadline, kahit pa feeling mo ang dami mong unfinished task, isa lang yung uunahin mo, isa lang yung nasa isip mo, humanap ng pagkain. Same thing kapag ihingi ka na. Same thing kapag mapupupo ka. Yung focus mo, yung utak mo, sa isang bagay na lang siya nakafocus. Nung na-realize ko yun, ayun nga, kaya ko pala. I-disregard mo yung ibang bagay dahil merong isang pinaka-importante na pressing ngayon. It might be saying, survival kasi siya eh. Exactly. If it's about survival, good career is survival. Getting good work is survival. Bakit kaya natin siya pag kukuha lang ng pagkain everyday natin ginagawa? Right? You get what I mean? If we're in danger, nothing else matters but our security. That kind of focus can have a huge impact. And this applies to literally everything else in your life. Doon mo i-focus yung majority lang ng mental capacity mo. Ito na ako sa SM. Bago silang parking dito eh. Yung right side na yon. You might be wondering ano pala yung errand ko dito. Actually, ang main one ko ngayon is magpapalit ng cheque ng mga PDC na bayad ng clients ko. So dito sa Pilipinas, kapag mga businesses, especially hindi pa sobrang lalaki, cheque pa rin sila magbayad. I have to go to the bank para ipalit siya. So it's okay, it's a good problem to have. Pero yun, pag mga foreigners, yun, nakakakuha ko ng directly sa Deal o kaya sa Wise.com o kaya bank transfer. Pero locally, mas cheque pa rin. So I'll take it as long as I'm getting paid. Lunes na Lunes, hirap humanap ng parking ah. Nasa SM pa rin ng mga tao. Sabagay, malapit na Christmas. Finally, nakakauri ng parking. Hirap mo ako ng parking kahit Monday. Daming tao ng BDO. So we're done with our errand. Well, isa sabing errand lang kasi importanteng task yung punta sa bangko. Obviously, that's the reason why we try and get the clients, the earning, diba? Para mapakinabangan at magamit. Ayun, yun lang naman. It's that idea na if you focus on something and really put a lot of effort. In this case, kahit ganito, sobrang halaga nitong pagpunta sa bangko. Hassle kasi niya kasi you have to drive. Yun, pipila ka a lot time para makuha instead of basta mo na lang i-withdraw sa ATM or kunin sa bank mo. No? Kapag cheque, yun, yung mga pipirmahan ka. Minsan matagal pa yung cashier kasi may verify pa. It applies to a lot of things that we do in our job. I hope may napulot kayo. And make sure na follow yung aking journey. I'll include yung mga tasks na gagawin ko dito sa YouTube channel na ito para if gusto nyo is makakuha ng work from home, if gusto nyo ma-improve yung career ninyo. I'm enjoying this. The reason why I still do YouTube kahit hindi naman siya yung for business purposes talaga or for income purposes. Something that I enjoy a lot. That's why I do both for my personal channel and a channel ko with House Cran. So, yung maka-request naman ng subscribe dyan and share the videos, malaking tulong. May mga nangingi pala sa akin ng update ng TR4. So, what you seeing now, sige, flip ko yung camera, isang part na nung gawa na dito sa amin, sa bandang Santo Tomas, Batangas. Mahaba to from SLEX to Bicol ito. So, Quezon, Bicol part, no? Kasi mahalaga din sa amin to na nakikita namin yung progress nitong lugar na to. Taga Bicol din kami, so we wanted to know kung ano yung magiging effect niya kapag kami ay bibiyahe ng Bicol. Sabi nila, instead of 8 hours, magiging 3 to 4 hours lang. And that's 50% reduction. So, sobrang ganda nun. I'll keep updating you if may progress tong TR4. Share namin sa aming YouTube channel. I hope this helps and see you in the next one. Bye!